Let's fit this brand new 992.2 911 with this shiny new Ducktail spoiler. So, blink and you'll miss it, another Dissident spoiler install done, this time for the first time on a 992.2 chassis 911. So we can confirm that it fits, as you can see it's on the car. So long may they continue. 992.2 is coming for installation. As with all our Dissident spoilers, they are available for other 911 models, available to ship worldwide, both raw and in colour. So drop us a line, be it via YouTube here or to our emails is preferred. Check out our other YouTube videos on the channel for a how-to tutorial to fit your own at home. And I think that just about covers it. Obviously looks great. Hopefully the customer will be happy. We'll show him in a moment. Until next time, stay tuned, like, share, subscribe. It's greatly appreciated as always. Thank you very much. Goodbye.